Thinking about accessorizing your DJI Osmo Pocket 3? Before you dive into all the flashy options out there, let's pause for a moment. The truth is, many of those must-have accessories you see advertised will end up collecting dust and wasting your money. In this video, I will show you the real essentials, the tools that truly enhance your shooting experience and take your footage to the next level. No fluff, no gimmicks, just practical, proven accessories that you'll actually use. If you want to avoid wasting money and focus on the gear that matters most, stick around. Let's make your Osmo Pocket 3 setup as powerful and efficient as it can be. Most of accessories that you'll find on Amazon or any other websites most likely will be rubbish. You're not gonna use them never, just once, and they'll be just covering with the dust in your drawers. Some other accessories that you'll be using every day, or at least for most of your trips. Here is the gear that I'm using for my Osmo Pocket 3. This is the first bridge adapter that you need to connect to your camera if you want to use a tripod. This bridge adapter also contains a battery inside, so it's like the battery extender. This is just adapter without the battery. So for example, if you would like to have a very short filming but you need a tripod, you definitely need to have this extra adapter that will be connected to your camera. Of course, the case. You need to have the case because the gimbal itself is the most fragile part of Osmo Pocket 3, and of course you don't want to break it. Speaking about mic, I have been using mic with Osmo Pocket 3 only a few times by connecting into the camera, but honestly saying that mic itself on Osmo Pocket 3 is so awesome that I stopped using this DJI Mic 2 with Osmo Pocket 3, and I only use this Mic 2 whenever I need to record some background voice for my videos. And now let's speak about lenses. So we have a CPL lens. Of course we know what it is, and I would say this is my most essential accessory that I'm using almost all the time. The second one, it is wide lens. This wide lens, to be honest, I haven't been using, and one of my favorite, but perhaps this is only for a special occasion, is a macro lens for Osmo Pocket 3. This macro lens is awesome. So, because the focusing on Osmo Pocket 3 itself is amazing, but if you love to have the footage of macro objects, that you definitely need to have a macro lens for your Osmo Pocket 3. It will so improve, you will get so more power on your footage, and I will demonstrate you now what you will expect from it. Using a dedicated macro lens with DJI Osmo Pocket 3 elevates your close-up shots to the next level. This small attachment lets you capture incredible detail, perfect for flowers, insects, or textures. The key is the focus range. Stay between 20 and 40 mm from your subject for sharp professional results. Too close or too far and you will lose it. Here's an example. Without the macro lens, you get the basic shot, but with it, every petal, line, or tiny movement of an insect comes to life. The difference is stunning. Macro photography is about precision. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3's stability combined with the macro lens ensures smooth close-up shots every time. It's lightweight, easy to use, and brings extraordinary detail to your creative projects. Whether you're exploring nature or capturing textures up close, this setup is a game changer. Try it out and see the world in a way you've never seen before. Using CPL Filter is just essential with your Osmo Pocket 3, and let me show you why. Take a look at this footage of the ocean. Notice how you can see through the water surface without distracting glare. That's CPL Filter in action. It enhances the color saturation and contrast, making sky bluer and water clearer, and scenes more vibrant. It's especially useful for outdoor shooting in bright sunlight. Lightweight and easy to attach, CPL Filter transforms your footage, giving it a professional, polished look. If you are shooting by the sea, near lakes, or any reflective surfaces, it's a must-have tool to elevate your shots. Just one more piece of accessories that you might be interested in for your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a special camera holder. If you would like to put your camera, let's say, on a backpack like this, if you would like to use a selfie stick for your Osmo Pocket 3, because this holder has a special connector for any selfie stick or any other kind of action camera accessories. So when you put the camera into this holder, it will look like this. You need to clip it on this side and then just hold and press on this side. That's it. So in this case, the screen can be opened, the camera can be used and easily closed as well. I haven't been using this holder yet because I have another trick how to use the camera with selfie stick, and I'll show you in a second. But just in case if you don't have a selfie stick and you don't want to buy these holders that cost around $30, and in case if you have Insta360 camera with a selfie stick, just a default set of Osmo Pocket 3, you only need to use these accessories to transform it into a long selfie stick with Osmo Pocket 3. Let me show you how. So what you really need to do is to connect this adapter to Osmo Pocket 3 like this. Make sure that it is clipped firm, and then just screw in selfie stick to the adapter, and that's it. Cool. Now we have a fully extended Osmo Pocket 3 stick. It can be used, you know. With the extra lens, your field of view expands, giving you wider, more dynamic angles. Whether you are capturing a group, vlogging, or showcasing your surroundings, the extended reach creates a sense of depth and perspective that's hard to achieve. But here is a tip. Enable the tracking mode on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This ensures the camera stays locked onto your subject even as you move. The gimbal smooth tracking pairs effectively with the selfie stick, letting you record fluid, professional-looking footage effortlessly. You can even get creative. Extend it for aerial style shots, follow yourself while walking, or capture hard-to-reach angles. It's a simple tool that adds a ton of versatility to your videos. Compact, lightweight, and easy to carry. It's a must-have accessory for every creator. And just one more thing to show that the tripod from Osmo Pocket 3 can be easily connected to Insta360 selfie stick. Once everything is connected, the camera will look like this. And selfie stick is at this half height only. It can be extended even more. But be careful, because of this tripod is pretty small, and at the windy condition like even it is now, it could be a bit dangerous to use Osmo Pocket 3 because it might fall quite easily. As you can see, it's not so stable. So if you want to really use it, you might use a tripod as well from Gimbal Hohem, for example. Just a few extra words to say about this protection case for DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I'm not really satisfied with that because I had just recently an occasion when the camera fell from my bag, and actually when this camera was in protective case and when it fell on the ground, it's immediately detached from the protection case, and the camera was like a bit dirty in the mud because I was in mountain, I was hiking that time. One more thing, in this protection case you can hold up to 2 lenses filters. I'm keeping here my CPL and also the ultra wide lens. So what do you think, guys? Which of these accessories would you buy, and which of them would you just put in a drawer and never use? Let me know in the comments. My preferable accessories that everyone must have with Osmo Pocket 3 is a tripod, the battery extension, CPL filter, and macro lens, especially if you like to film macro objects. Everything else is up to you. I hope you are enjoying this video and you found something interesting for you, perhaps something new. Hit subscribe button, don't forget to like this video, share, and see you in the next one. Bye.